All right. I will. Can we just put it out to the chats, please, everybody?
Then
Got it all out there.
Have
And
you got, are you doing that, Sasha?
Done so.
okay. Ah, Raj, that's you there. Rajesh, hello. Oh, where are you? Oh, right. Hello. Nice to see you. So for those of you who are new to our screen, if you have a look behind us, you'll see that we are offering a trip to Australia for those who sign up with us. And you will see. So those of you who have already signed up, your name will go into the draw. So, but for those of you, so Ratchet, you don't have to worry. You're in the draw. And so with you, Raj, you're in the draw. So you could all be coming to my home. So what I'm doing is I put everyone's name in the barrel, and then I'm going to be bringing one person. Vivek's here. Hey, Vivek. Hey, Ali Sue. Hi, how Ali? I will be putting all your names into the barrel, and I will be drawing out one name, and you will be winning a trip to Australia. And you will also be able to come to the Fat House. So the Fat House will be here for you, and you will be able to enjoy that. So I'm super excited for that, and I will draw that at the end of May. So anyone that joins us between now and then will go into the draw. And we have some other exciting things that's going on for those of you that are joining us now. So this tonight is about the compensation plan. And I know, Ali, that you are new here. So this is something for you that you could listen to and have a good understanding. I have two very good people that do the compensation plan. And one of them is Alan Zaparovich, and you can meet him, is at the top here. And the other lady is Vijaya Perimal. They both have brains like no other and are my equal in every way. So I'm very happy and very proud to have them on my team. So I'm going to hand it over to you, Vijaya, and you can start with Guri is new also. Hi, Guri. Nice to see you. Uh, Vijay, I'm going to hand it over to you so you can start on the compensation plan. Tonight, we do 3 nights. The first night I'll do some training on something. Generally, it's social media. Tuesday nights, we do the FAT program. Wednesday nights, we do compensation. And tomorrow nights, we'll do recruitment. So, with recruitment is what I'm actually doing is teaching people how to bring people in, talking about our business of PartnerCo, but I'm also just offering the ability for you to bring your people to the stage. So over to you, Vijaya. All yours, darling.
thanks, Ravi. Thank you very much. All right, I'll share my screen. Yep, I should be. Just give me a minute. Okay, so this is just our first page. So let's go to the compensation plan talk today. I'm just going to reduce this. Sorry, guys. Hiccup. A bit of a hiccup. My laptop is.
Are you right?
Yep. Sorry, Terry.
That's right.
All right, so let's start with our first one. So every one of you know that PartnerCo's compensation plan is voted as the number one compensation plan. It pays the highest. I'll show you the ratio, percentage of payout on each different compensation later. But let's move forward with our discussion today, knowing that you are in a company that actually pays the maximum when it comes to compensation plan.
Vijaya, can I just stop you for a minute? Sasha, can you please translate for me?
Yes.
I've got some people here that can't understand.
विजया ने ये बोला है अभी कि हमारा जो कंपनी है ये कॉम्पनसेशन प्लान पेमेंट्स और कमीशंस जो पे करता है सबसे ऊपर है। नंबर 1 कंपनी है जो जिनका कॉम्पनसेशन प्लान बहुत अच्छा है और मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज भी मिलता है।
Thanks, sir. All right, now we have 8 ways to get paid in this compensation plan, but I am going to concentrate on the first 4 first for you because I have my reason. I'll explain a bit more in depth later, but the primary presentation today will be concentrating on the first 4 pay that you get in the business.
आज का जो प्रेजेंटेशन है 8 तरीके का है कॉम्पनसेशन वेज टू गेट पेड, लेकिन आज जो है हम बस पहले 4 वेज जो है पे करने में वही हम फोकस करेंगे, उसी के ऊपर फोकस करेंगे।
Let's move to the business level. Now, remember, many business out there, you need to reach your business level every month. But in PartnerCo, the company that we are working with, you only need to reach your business level once in throughout the business. Just once at the early stage you reach, and then that percentage remains with you throughout your business. Sasha?
बहुत सारे नेटवर्क कंपनीज जो है वहां पर ऐसा चलता है कि हर एक महीने हमको एक लेवल रीच करना पड़ता है, हर एक महीने एक लेवल अचीव करना पड़ता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर वो बात नहीं है। ये बिजनेस लेवल जो है हमको एक ही बार बिजनेस में अचीव करना है और वो लाइफ टाइम लास्ट करेगा।
Right. So we will be revisiting this part a bit later, but I just want you guys to understand that in when you how you get your business level. So the maximum percentage they pay is 30%. That's on Ultimate. Basically, what you need to do is if you can get 800 points in the first 4 weeks of your business, then you will achieve Ultimate, which is giving you 30% in all your points. So it is a one-time achievement and it gives you 30% if you were to achieve 800 PV, that's point. Sasha?
ये अल्टीमेट लेवल अचीव करने के लिए 30% हमको 800 पॉइंट्स बनाना पड़ेगा, और जब हम वो अचीव करते हैं 800 पॉइंट्स जब अचीव करते हैं तब हमको 30% मिलता है, और ये जो है एक ही बार अचीव करना पड़ता है।
Yeah, so we've got activated. Activated is 0 till 100 points, you get 15%. And then up to 200 points, if you've made until 200 points, you get 20. And then 400 points, you get 25. 800 points, as you reach 800 points, you get 30%.
तो बिजनेस लेवल्स जो है वो 4 लेवल्स है, एक्टिवेटेड, बिजनेस, एलीट, और सबसे ऊपर वाला जो है जो हम रेकमेंड करते हैं वो है अल्टीमेट। तो एक्टिवेट लेवल में बस हमको 100 पॉइंट्स बनाना पड़ता है, जिनको पीवी नहीं पता वो पॉइंट वैल्यू है। 100 पॉइंट्स बनाना पड़ता है, बिजनेस के लिए 200 पॉइंट्स और एलीट के लिए 400 पॉइंट्स, और उसके नीचे परसेंटेज भी लिखा है। एक्टिवेटेड में 15% कमीशन मिलता है, बिजनेस में 20% और एलीट में 25%।
All right, let's move to our first bonus. So now, out of the first 4 bonus that I want to talk to you about, the first one is retail bonus. And what is retail bonus? Whatever you sell, 30%, you are to sell on a full price. So when you sell a product in full price, the retail price, you get 30% out of that retail price as your profit. Sasha?
तो ये सबसे पहला जो बोनस है वो रिटेल प्रॉफिट है। ये रिटेल प्रॉफिट कहलाया जाता है कंपनी में। तो ये जो टर्म्स यूज कर रही है विजय वही यूज करेंगी। रिटेल प्राइस है वो है एमआरपी। एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर दिया है 6000 अगर आप खरीदते हैं, वो हम 6000 में सेल करेंगे, और हमारा जो प्राइस है वो 4200 है, और हमारा जो प्रॉफिट बनेगा वो है 1800।
Yeah, so that is 30% out of your retail price, or what Sasha said, MRP.
जस्ट वन क्विक थिंग, या सॉरी, योर प्राइस का मतलब ये है कि हम उसको ये प्राइस में खरीदते हैं, लेकिन एमआरपी जो है वो 6000 है। इसी की वजह से हमको ये 30% जो मिलेगा, वो कैलकुलेशन जो है 30% है, 1800 वो हमको मिलेगा।
Thanks, Sasha. All right, so that is the first bonus. So this is the first bonus you get. So as soon as you join the business, you can start earning this bonus. So this is your first bonus. So certain business, you need to reach certain title to start earning money. But in this business, as soon as you start your first sales itself, you can start earning income already.
हम जैसे ही ज्वाइन करते हैं हम रिटेल प्रॉफिट्स रिटेल बोनस जो है हम स्टार्ट अर्निंग जो है हमारा शुरू हो जाता है जैसे ही हम ज्वाइन करते हैं। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है डिले या कोई वेटिंग पीरियड वगैरह कुछ नहीं है। जैसे ही हम ज्वाइन करते हैं वैसे हमारा रिटेल प्रॉफिट शुरू हो सकता है।
All right, now let's go to the second bonus. So we call it new volume bonus. So now under new volume bonus, what happens is, remember the business level that we talked about earlier. So activate 15%, business 20%, elite 25%, and ultimate 30%. So what happens here is, so one side you are earning money from selling the product. The other side, the company says each product has a point value and you will earn certain percentage of the point based on which business level you are. Sasha? Sasha?
सॉरी, न्यू वॉल्यूम बोनस ये दूसरी तरीके का बोनस है जहां पर ये परसेंटेजेस जो लिखा है वो हमको मिलेगा। और मतलब इसका सिंपल एक्सप्लेनेशन ये है जब भी हम एक नया ऑर्डर प्लेस करेंगे तब हमको ये न्यू वॉल्यूम बोनस मिलेगा।
All right. So one part retail is from the value, money you sell, you get 30%. Now, new volume bonus, the second bonus on the points of each product, you get also, assuming your ultimate, you get 30% from the point also. So 30% on the value, 30% on the point. So two bonuses that you can enjoy.
तो एक जो है हम प्रोडक्ट बेचने पर मिलता है और ये परसेंटेजेस जो लिखा है वो कमीशन के तौर पर भी मिलता है हमको।
Thanks, Sasha. Now let's go to the, let's just do a small number on how the new volume bonus works. Now let's say you've got 100 PV, and if your ultimate, you get 30%, 100 PV times 30%, you get paid in USD. So when you calculate this 100 PV times 30%, whatever value you get is USD value, and we convert that into India rupees for you. So you get paid, a new volume bonus is paid to you in USD that gets converted into India rupees and paid to you.
हमारा जो मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है वो 100 पीवी है, उसके ऊपर उसका कोई भी लिमिट नहीं है। और ये हमारा जो हाईएस्ट लेवल है बिजनेस का उसके तौर पे हमने ये एग्जांपल लिया है 30%। तो 100 पॉइंट्स इनटू 30% और इसका रुपी में वैल्यू जो लिखा है यहाँ पर 2730। और उन्होंने ये भी बताया कि हमको यूएस डॉलर्स में मिलता है कमीशन।
Yeah, so it's very important for you to understand that this new volume bonus is paid to you in USD that gets converted into India rupees. All right, now this is a very important bonus, base commission. So what is base commission? Base commission basically means, so here you joined, you're getting money from your retail. Your first sales you do, you get money. And then the first, after a while, you reach your title and you get percentage money from the points. Then after that, after you get the points, you're going to base commission. What is base commission? Base commission is the time when you start earning money when you have team running under you. So if you've got teams working under you, you will start seeing base commission, but there is a few things that you need to know about how to earn in base commission.
सॉरी, पहले दो बोनसेस जो उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया है वो हमारा पर्सनल सेल्स के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, लेकिन अभी ये तीसरा बोनस जो है बेस कमीशन, ये डिपेंडेंट है आपके टीम के परफॉर्मेंस पर। और टीम ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि 4-10 लोग चाहिए, 1 या 2 लोग भी अगर होंगे और उन्होंने अगर सेल किया तो उनका जो कुछ परसेंटेज है वो हमको मिलेगा।
All right, so how base commission starts in your business? So you need to always start with 2 lines. You need to start building 2 lines like this. You've got 1 line here, and then you've got 1 line, and then you let these people build here. So whenever you build, you are building under here. Now I've written here power line and pay line. This is just to give you an example. Sasha?
बेस कमीशन अर्न करने के लिए, और ये जरूरी है कि हम हमारे नीचे दो लाइंस बनाएं, एक है पावर लाइन और एक पे लाइन है, वो जो एक्सप्लेन करेंगी आगे जाके। लेकिन टीम्स जो है हम दो लाइन में ही बिल्ड करना है हमको।
Yeah. So now what is power line? What is pay line? And how much you get paid? Let's look at an example. Let's say you've got under this first line, you've got 1,000 points. All right. So you add BP1, BP2, BP3, and your own personal point here, total 1,000 PV. All right. Then this line, the second line, let's say you've got total here 400 PV. All right. Let's say you've got 100, 100, 100, 100, and you get 400 here, while this side you've got 1,000 in this line. How much you get paid? So what PartnerCo will do is, PartnerCo will take the lowest point here, the 400 here, and pay you 15% out of this point here. Now, when they pay 15% here, this was 1,000, this was 400. So they pay you 15% from this point first. Now, don't think that, oh, I had 1,000 here and then they only paid me 400. The balance 600 here will sit there for you. Sasha, I know a bit technical, but try your best.
नो वरीज। एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर ये जो दो लाइन के बारे में हमने उन्होंने बताया, पावर लाइन जो है वो ज्यादा पॉइंट्स कैरी करता है और पे लाइन जो है कम पॉइंट्स। तो उन्होंने बताया पावर लाइन में 1,000 पॉइंट्स बनाए हैं आपके टीम ने, और पे लाइन में 400 पॉइंट्स ही बनाए हैं। तो पार्टनर को क्या करता है, जहां पर कम पॉइंट्स है वो हमारा पे लाइन है। और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि पे लाइन और पावर लाइन परमानेंट रहेगा, ये हमेशा मतलब चेंज भी हो सकता है। तो 15% जो है हमारे 400 पॉइंट्स का, वो हमको मिलता है कमीशन के तौर पे।
Yeah. So from the 400 that's on this line, the lesser line, you get 15%. Now, again, the value that you get is in USD that gets converted into India rupees. So 400 points here, 1,000 points here, you get paid from the 400 points. Now, the next following week, you will see 600 still sitting here. So it doesn't mean that this, just because you only get paid 400 here, balance 600 will be there for you to get paid off later stage. So you don't need to worry that, oh, you're getting paid from the less points. What happened to the extra points I've got here? It will get paid to you at later stage as you grow the business.
ये हमारा जो 600 बैलेंस है यहाँ पर, आप ऐसे नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि हमारा ये तो वेस्ट चला गया, इसके लिए हमको कुछ मिलता नहीं है, लेकिन ये आगे जाके पे करता है कंपनी। बैलेंस जो भी है वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है।
Yeah. All right. So that is power line and pay line, and that's how base commission works. Now let's look at this one. So this is also base commission, but at a bigger volume. So here what we see is line 1, you've got a total of 13334 PV. And then second line also you reached a maximum total. This is the maximum.
Did we lose her?
आई गेस सो।
Cap for each line.
Aaron, we
in
lost
each
you. We
line.
lost
Pay,
you,
power
Vijaya.
line and pay line.
for a bit,
both.
Vijaya.
Vijaya, we lost you.
Okay. Am I back?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
you're
can
back.
start again.
All right. Sorry.
One,
Sorry, guys. All right.
no one.
So this is base commission also. Earlier we were talking about 400 points being paid. Now we are talking about bigger number being paid in base commission also. So maximum you need to reach 13,334. So maybe you've got 15 people here to reach 13,000. Maybe you've got 20 people here to reach 13,000 plus. So goal is to get power line and pay line maximum 13,000, minimum 13,334.
ये बिजनेस जो है आगे जाके एक गोल हमने रखना चाहिए कि दोनों भी लाइंस में अगर हम 13,334 और 13,334 पे लाइन और पावर लाइन अचीव करते हैं, तो उसका जो है यहाँ पर फिगर्स वो एक्सप्लेन करेंगी। लेकिन आगे का गोल होना चाहिए। देखो, ऐसे जरूर होगा कि हमारा टीम बढ़ेगा, पहले 2 लोग 4 लोग, और जैसे जैसे टीम बढ़ेगा हमारे पॉइंट्स भी इंक्रीज होंगे। और जब पॉइंट्स इंक्रीज होगा तो हमारा टारगेट ये होना चाहिए कि 13,334 दोनों भी लाइंस में होने चाहिए।
Yeah, so that's why it's very important that you keep building down, down, down. Because maybe the first week you reach 13,334, but is your line strong enough for the following week, next week, then the 5 weeks down? Can your team be strong enough to reach the same number every week? So basically what I'm trying to say is we need to make sure that this 13,334 is something that keeps happening every week in your line. So if this were to be consistent, then you can get the 2,000 USD per week just on base commission.
हमारा गोल जैसे मैंने बोला होना चाहिए कि 13,334 कंसिस्टेंटली मिलता रहे हमको पॉइंट्स। और वो कैसे होगा, हम ये हमारे कंट्रोल में है, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे लोग हमारे टीम में ज्वाइन करेंगे हमको पता चलेगा कि कौन काम कर रहा है कौन नहीं कर रहा है, और वैसे हम बैलेंस करेंगे। किसी को हम पावर लाइन में डालेंगे, कोई किसी लोगों को हम पे लाइन में डालेंगे, और वैसे करके अगर बैलेंस करते हैं 13,334 दोनों भी लाइंस में, तब हमको ये 2,000 USD मिलेगा।
Yeah. Now 2,000 USD given to you because 13,334 times 15%, you get 2,000 USD, and that converts to 1.8 lakhs.
जब ये बैलेंस हो जाएगा दोनों भी लाइंस में, ये फिगर 13,334, तब हमको ये 2,000 USD मिलेगा, जो रुपीस में कन्वर्जन करके 1.82 lakhs होता है।
Yes. So this is not something that this is still base commission, but this is something that you will achieve as you build the business and the growth is down there. So you will achieve this number. So it is the first thing that you need to understand is this power line, pay line. So power line is the bigger number, pay line is the lesser number. So you get paid 15% out of the pay line. And this one, once you've reached into bigger group, you've got bigger team under you, that maximum both your lines are giving you a minimum of 13,334, then 2,000 is confirmed for you if you can maintain these points every week.
बेस कमीशन मैं जैसे एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, ये 2 लेवल्स के होते हैं। एक तो है जब आप एंट्री लेवल में एज अ बिगनर बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं, तब आपको 15% मिलता है पे लाइन में। लेकिन जैसे जैसे आपका टीम बढ़ता है और जब ये नंबर्स आएंगे 13,334, तब हमको ये 2,000 USD में मिलेगा।
All right, so that completes the base commission. Now, as you grow your base commission, we've got something else for you. Now, what the company says is, since you are building teams under you, you are growing the business under your team, you are given a 15% out of base commission that you make, but the trick is your base commission must be above 250.
अभी ये सेविंग्स बोनस जो है, जैसे हम वो नाम से ही एक्सप्लेन करता है, कंपनी हमको बेस कमीशन जब हमारा $250 या उसके ऊपर जाता है, उसका जो भी अमाउंट है उसका हमको 15% में कंपनी एक सेविंग बोनस कलेक्ट करते रहती है।
Yeah. So let's say your base commission here. So let's say your base commission here, you make $250 US. Then on top of the money you get from the $250 US for base commission, the company put aside 22,742 rupees aside for you, because that will be your saving money. They put aside 15% out of 250 as your saving money.
पुट असाइड का मतलब ये है, वो हमारे बैंक अकाउंट में नहीं आता है, वो हमको पे आउट जैसे नहीं आता है। 15% जो है, जो भी अमाउंट है, 250 इज वेयर मिनिमम, लेकिन उसके ऊपर 250 के ऊपर जब भी हम अर्न करते हैं बेस कमीशन में, उसका 15% जैसे एक सेविंग्स अकाउंट जैसे कंपनी हमारे लिए खोलता है और वो जमा करते रहता है 15%।
So in base commission, you get 1.82 lakhs. Remember, in the bigger picture, bigger base commission, you get this when you reach this title, you get 1.82 lakhs, and then you get your 1.82, and company is giving you another 15%. that is this much also added to your check. That is $300 added to your check as well.
तो 15% वो फर्स्ट लेवल बेस कमीशन जो मैंने बोला था वो भी, उसका भी 15%। और ये जो हमारा टीम का जब हम 13334 वाला लेवल जब पहुंच जाते हैं उसका भी 15%। आपके जो छोटे से एक सेविंग्स अकाउंट जैसा जो कस्टमर कंपनी हमारे लिए खोलता है वो जमा होते रहता है।
So only if you build your team, you are going to get this extra bonus. So when you build team, you are getting this base commission. You are also getting a saving bonus by the company.
तो बेस कमीशन का बेसिक फंडामेंटल रूल ये है कि हम टीम को बढ़ाएं, टीम को ग्रो करें, तभी हमको ये सेविंग्स बोनस जैसे अनलॉक भी कर सकते हैं।
All right. Okay. So that is 4 bonuses that I've explained. Now, as a new people coming into business, these are the first 4 that you will tap into as you grow your business. After the first 4, there are another 4 that you will look into. That will happen once this base commission reach this maximum level, which will be our advanced compensation plan training.
ये कॉम्पनसेशन सेशन जो हमने लिया है वो एकदम जैसे हम शुरू करते हैं बिजनेस बेसिक लेवल पे जो जो हम अर्न कर सकते हैं वो हमने आज एक्सप्लेन किया है। लेकिन इसके आगे जो है थोड़ा सा एडवांस लेवल जो है, जब हम ये सब अनलॉक कर लेते हैं, सेविंग्स बोनस और बेस कमीशन का दूसरा लेवल भी हम अनलॉक जब कर देते हैं, तब बाकी के 4 लेवल्स ऑफ बोनस जो है वो भी एक्सप्लेन किया जाएगा फ्यूचर सेशंस में।
Exactly. All right, now let's do some numbers. I love numbers. So I want to check how much we earn. Let's say one of you come and say, okay, I'm going to sell 1 box of drops. All right, this is the product, one of the product that's coming for you. Let's do the numbers. Sasha?
अच्छा, तो इंडिया में जो है 3 प्रोडक्ट्स रहेंगी। सबसे पहला हीरो प्रोडक्ट जो है हमारा ड्रॉप्स है। और अभी विजया क्या जैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगी प्रोडक्ट बेस के, उसका प्राइस क्या है और इंडिया रुपीस में कन्वर्जन करके हमको एक्सप्लेन करेगी हमारा अर्निंग कैसा रहेगा।
All right, so 1 box is 250 Australia. So what I've done is I've taken Australia value and I've converted into India rupees and we'll calculate based on that. So 1 box of this is 16,000 rupees, 16,300 rupees for 1 box. Now, when you sell this, you are buying at 11,400, but you sell at 16,300. So your profit is 4,950 rupees.
तो एक बॉक्स ऑफ ड्रॉप्स जो है AUD ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर्स का जो प्राइस है वो $250 है। वो इंडिया प्राइस, इंडिया रुपीस में जब हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं वो 16,300 है। और हम जब ये अल्टीमेट लेवल जो बिजनेस लेवल उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया था, वो लेवल में जब हम खरीदते हैं ये प्रोडक्ट, हमको मिलता है बस 11,400 में, 11,000 में मिलता है हमको ये प्रोडक्ट। और जब हम बेचते हैं उसको 16,300 में, हमारा प्रॉफिट जो हो जाता है वो 4,950 का प्रॉफिट हो जाता है।
Okay, now remember, this is the first bonus you make. Remember the retail profit. So for retail profit, you are earning 4,950 rupees for first retail profit.
4,950 ये जो अमाउंट है वो हमारा है रिटेल प्रॉफिट जो उन्होंने सबसे पहले एक्सप्लेन किया था, फर्स्ट बोनस।
All right. Second bonus, new volume bonus. So for selling 1 box, you are getting 30%. Let's say, assuming we are ultimate, you get 30% out of 76 points, because when you sell 1 box, you are getting 76 points. So out of 76 points, you get 30%. I'm assuming you are ultimate. And then that gives you another 1,950 rupees as well in new volume bonus. That is your second bonus.
रिटेल बोनस तो हमको मिलता ही है, लेकिन उसके अलावा हमको न्यू वॉल्यूम बोनस भी वो एक ही प्रोडक्ट बेचने पर मिलता है, न्यू वॉल्यूम बोनस। और उसका कन्वर्जन यहाँ पर है 1,950। अज्यूमिंग, मतलब ये मान के चलते हैं हम कि हमने अल्टीमेट लेवल हमने अचीव किया है और उसका 30% हमको मिलेगा। लेकिन अगर हमने अल्टीमेट नहीं अचीव किया, बिजनेस लेवल, रिटेल, ऐसा नहीं कि हमको पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे, परसेंटेज थोड़ा सा कम रहेगा, लेकिन तब भी हमको कमीशन मिलेगा।
All right. So that is your second bonus. Now let's total up. So you are a new person in the business. So you can only look at these two bonuses first. You don't have your team yet working for you. So let's look at just these two bonuses. You get a total of 6,399 rupees for selling one box. Selling one box, you're getting 6,399 rupees.
तो हमने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था, आई एम जस्ट एडिंग एन एडिशनल पॉइंट, या 51%, ये हमको अभी दिख रहा है यहाँ पर। बस एक ही ड्रॉप्स, एक पैक ऑफ ड्रॉप्स हम जब सेल करते हैं, हमको टोटल न्यू वॉल्यूम बोनस और रिटेल बोनस दोनों ऐड करके हमको ये अमाउंट मिलता है कमीशन के तौर पे, 6,399।
All right. So you sell in a one box, you're getting 6,399. Now, I did a bit of research. In a month average pay in India is about 20,000 to 25,000 rupees. Can I say that's correct, Sasha?
I missed what you said, Vijay. I'm sorry.
So I'm saying in a
Monthly average. Oh, okay.
monthly average pay in India is around 20 to 25,000. This is what I got from my research. So is that the right rate?
Not in the business, right? Because
Not
then
in the
that'll be
business.
wrong. हाँ,
Yeah.
तो विजया का पॉइंट ये है कि अगर हम एवरेज जॉब या जो भी करते हैं, और ये मेरा स्टोरी भी है, मैं एक कॉर्पोरेट एम्प्लॉय रह चुकी हूँ, एवरेज पे जो है लोगों का जॉब करके 9 to 5, या उनका एवरेज होता है 20 से 25 हजार। ऑफकोर्स अलग अलग लेवल्स में अलग अलग पेमेंट्स है, लेकिन एवरेज ये है।
Yeah.
Average, this is the salary, yes.
So average, you're getting about this. Now, if you were to sell 4 boxes in a month, even if you sell 4 boxes in a month, you are already earning the average pay of a month in this business. Just by selling 4 boxes in the whole month, you are already getting paid a full-time employee's income.
हफ्ते में अगर हम एक पैक बेचते हैं, वो मुश्किल नहीं है। हफ्ते में अगर एक पैक बेचते हैं, पूरे महीने में 4 बॉक्स भी अगर हमने बेच लिया, तो हमारा एवरेज मंथली इनकम जो है इसको बीट करता है।
So
एंड ऑल्सो वी गेट पेड एवरी फ्राइडे, तो हमको हर
every
फ्राइडे
Friday.
मिलता है ये कमीशन।
Commission gets paid weekly. So you don't need to wait until end of the month to get your paid. Every week you say let's say your goal is only 1 box a week. Every week you get this much money. 6,399 gets paid to you. All right. So that's the best part about this. So even if you are not looking at lakhs of money, at least you should look at the business from a perspective of, if I bring in a housewife also, if she can earn this much, you can change that person's life, because you are giving that person a full-time employment's income, staying at home, taking care of her family, but at the same time being able to bring in that income to her family.
हम प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में फ्यूचर सेशंस में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, लेकिन अगर हम एक हाउसवाइफ, फॉर एग्जांपल हाउसवाइफ को लेके आते हैं बिजनेस में, और वो अगर एक पैक ऑफ बॉक्स बेचती है हफ्ते में, आप उनको हेल्प करेंगे 20 to 25,000 अर्न करने में।
Thanks, Sasha. Now let's look at this. This is the best part of the compensation plan. Now, we have got all these companies here. We've got all these different companies that is paying how much percentage of the income that they are paying. Look at who is sitting at the top. That is PartnerCo. The company that you are going to be a part of is paying out 51% of their income to the members in the business. Compared to every other companies, we are the highest paying. So if I say that you're in the right business at the right time, it is absolutely true as per the statistics.
पार्टनरको का जो प्रेजेंस है वो ओवर 50 कंट्रीज में है, और ये जो हमने नाम यहाँ पर लिस्ट में डाला है, ये ग्लोबल कंपनीज है हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस स्पेस में। और कुछ नाम हम जानते हैं, लेकिन सबसे जरूरी बात ये है ये स्लाइड पे कि पार्टनरको इज ऑन द नंबर 1 पोजीशन, और हमको जो परसेंटेज मिलता है वो 51% है, विच इज द हाईएस्ट।
Yeah, and like Sasha said, we are a global company, so you are not limited to do your business in India only. I always believe that everyone in India has at least one or two relatives or friends overseas. So you need to be in India and build your bridge globally through people that you know. So they are in more than 50 countries. And if you have other countries that we are not in, just contact us. We will know how to move into different countries. We are debt free and we pay the highest pay to all our brand partners.
हमारा जो बिजनेस है वो इंडिया में ही लिमिटेड नहीं है, और जब आप भी ज्वाइन करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका टीम इंडिया में ही लिमिटेड होगा। हमारा टीम ग्लोबली बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, और बेस्ट कॉम्पनसेशन प्लान है, तो ऑब्वियसली ये बहुत ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव बात है लोगों के लिए भी।
Thanks, Sasha. I think we have completed our presentation for today.
Thank you so much, Vijaya. Thank you. So just before I close off on that, what I want to actually address here is that the figure of 13,334. Now, I've seen many compensation plans, but this compensation plan I love, and I think it is built for India. I personally think that this compensation plan is India all over. It is much harder to build something in Australia than it is in India. And so what I want you to think about is that if every brand partner is doing 300 points, which you can see, it only takes either 2 or 3 boxes of the drops. Imagine 3 boxes of the drops and they're earning nearly 20,000 rupees, right? So they sell 3 boxes of drops, which is 300 PV. If they do that and you had 40 people in one leg and then you had 40 people in this leg, now how hard is it for India to get 40 people and then send them out to sell 3 boxes? That gives you 13,334 on either side. That makes you optimize. That is your biggest gift. That opens up doors for you everywhere. It is much harder in Australia for you to go out and find 40 people, I promise you. But in India, you will be able to do that. And so that's what makes me excited about this Indian compensation plans for you, because I can see the big picture. 40 people here, 40 people here. If they sold 600, that means you have 39 people. If everyone sold 600, that means you have 20. So do you see what I'm saying? It's a game of strategy. Everything that we do is calculated. Everything that we do has strategy. Everything that we do has support. So even when you are building like this, we have ways of tracking you and making sure that you are on the track and on the right path for your success. Thank you so much for doing that for us, Vijaya. As some of you can see, that we are launching the FAT opportunity. So anybody that joins us has the opportunity to go in the draw for winning a trip to Australia. Super excited about that. But not only do you come to Western Australia, you actually come to live in my home for 7 days. And I will take you to everywhere that I know is best in Western Australia. And so you get to come to the Fat House. I will put it in the chat what the Fat House looks like so you can come and see. And you get to have your own room and your own part of the house and your own enjoyment. So you get to be a part of our lives. I think everyone on this chat that knows the Fat House wants to come and stay in the Fat House. I don't think there's anyone that doesn't want to be a part of the Fat House. So it's a very big part of the Fat team. The Fat House only exists because of the Fat team. So it's a beautiful home, but it's also a home where everyone that's in Fat is welcome. And so this is why we are offering this to our new brand partners. So anyone that's a new brand partner goes into the draw. If you've already signed up, your name will go into the draw. And I will draw this at the end of May. So between now and then, we're going to send this out to the world. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. If you've got any questions, you're very welcome to connect with me and send me some questions, or Vijaya, where I'm sure we're all here to help you. But thank you so very much for coming tonight. I know it's late for some people, but it's earlier for some. But thank you for taking the time. We will be back tomorrow night. Tomorrow night we do, we welcome people to the team and recruitment. So if you've got anyone that you want to bring that you think that they might like to get over the line, you're very welcome to bring them. And I'll do my best to convince them to joining FAP. It's the best thing on the planet. And it's the fastest growing team in PartnerCode. So I don't know why you wouldn't want to join it. Lots of love to you all. Lots and lots of love to you, everybody. And have a good night. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you,
Good night,
Sasha.
Terry. Thank you,
Good
Vijay, ma'am.
night. Good night. Good night,
Bye.
everybody.
Thank you. Bye
Good
bye.
night.
Take care, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Night. Thank
Good
you.
night.
Thank you so
Good
much.
night.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Vivek. Good night.
Bye.
Hi, Vivek. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks.
Good,
Thanks.
good.
Good plan today. Yeah,
Ah,
explained
good.
very well.
Ah, good. That's good. If you hear it from different people, it makes it easier.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. All right. Good on
Great.
you. Good night, Virat. Good night,
Bye.
Ratchet. Good night, Manali.
Good night, Terry.
Good
Good
night,
night. Good night.
everyone. Good night, Rajitha. Shweta. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, darling.
Good night.
Good night.